80 animals.
Penguin.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? Are you ready to learn about an animal? Today, we're going to learn about penguins. This is a penguin. It is black and white. First, we will learn some words using pictures.
Antarctica. The icy land near the southern part of the Earth is Antarctica. On the map, the arrow points to Antarctica. Do you know what animal lives in Antarctica? Yes, a penguin lives there. Dive. The man dives into the water. When we dive, we jump in the water head and arms first. Then the rest of our body goes into the water. We dive in deep water, not shallow water. Slide. When you slide on something, you move on it smoothly. In the picture, the girl slides down the water slide. She can move smoothly down the slide with water on it.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Slide. Dive. Antarctica.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
What bird lives in the coldest land, Antarctica? The penguin lives there. A penguin has a black back and a white belly. It has wings, but can't fly. It can dive and swim very well. When it swims in the ocean, it looks like it is flying. It catches fish or shrimp in the ocean. A penguin moves on land. It waddles, slides on its belly on the ice, or jumps on land. Do you think all penguins live in a cold place? No. Some kinds of penguins live in warm places. Where does the penguin live? In a cold place. In a hot place. Can the penguin fly? Yes. No. What is true? The penguin can't swim. The penguin eats shrimp.
How was the lesson? Did you enjoy it? That's nice. This is the end of our class today. Goodbye.